VRED 2021 is now able to stream its render window content to a web browser. So you can now run VRED on a desktop or server and stream the content to a browser. You just have to enable the web server under Preferences, where you can also select the streaming port. Here I'm opening up my web browser and use the IP address :8888 to enter the web server's web interface. From here, you can access the VRED stream and also the VRED stream app. In the VRED stream, it's also possible to navigate in the scene, use touch sensors, and interact with HTML5 content. The VRED stream app is a web app example that uses the H.264 stream plus an HTML UI to control the scene. Here I can trigger variant sets, viewpoints, and certain VRED quality scene settings. I can also explore the scene on a mobile device when not being in the office and not having access to a high-performance system. Or I'm connecting to a master using a tablet while presenting the VRED scene on a big screen. Also streaming the content back into a VR scene using the media editor is possible, so you can control the VR scene using its own stream. Or you can stream a collaboration session, where people are exploring the scene in VR at the same time. This gives you much more freedom in exploring your VRED scenes. Thanks for watching the video.